Hey there, it's Ashley from the Loopy Lamb here, and today I have my August 2020 Knitcrate for us to unbox, and we see that we've got the green boxes back, so that's fun, and let's open it up and see what we got. So it looks like we've got this beautiful teal colored yarn. Teal is my favorite. It might actually be almost kind of like a minty green color. And there's two hanks. It says it's Vita Lana by Knitcrate in Linen Jewel. It says Our Maker Life because this box was a collaboration with Our Maker Life. The colorway is called Oasis. And it's 50% superwash merino, 30% linen, and 20% silk. It's a fingering weight yarn. There are 400 yards or 365 meters in a 100 gram hank. And it says for care, it is hand wash only and lay flat to dry. It's very, very soft, and it's got that little bit of a silky feel. I don't know if it's picking up on the video, but it's got little bits of fiber coming off. So it's got a tiny little bit of a halo, but got a nice little sheen to it. Very soft. All right, let's put those aside. Ooh, and they're like cool coming out of the box. All right, and it says... It's Cork Coaster. It says Knitcrate, sip one, stitch one, repeat from asterisk. That's cute. All right, now we've got our pattern box. Let's get rid of this Knitcrate box here so we can take a look at the pattern book. So I'm guessing that this month's pattern is going to be this shrug, but let's take a look. That looks knit, so that might be just the knit pattern. All right, so then we've got... So this is, these are two of the makers from Our Maker Life that did the collaboration for this Knitcrate. This is Jewel Washington and Christine Bodden. And these are the yarns that come in all the crates. This is the one that I received, the Oasis. There's this, looks like a soft pink color called Sandstones, and this is absolutely beautiful color. It's like a magenta called Midsummer Rose. Okay, there's the sock yarn. I love this green color. And let's see, and here are the patterns. So the crochet pattern is not the one that's on the front. It's this, the Pier cardigan, and that one was by Jewel Washington. And then there's the shrug from the front, and that's the simple summer shrug, and that one is the knit pattern. Now, let's see. So, okay, good. So I just wanted to see what sizes it comes in. So it looks like it uses a 4mm hook for the Pier shrug, and it comes in two different styles. It looks like there's a shorter style and an oversized style. And in the book, it looks like the only sizes available are extra small, small, medium, and large. A little disappointed that there's no plus sizes, but I get it. You can only get so far with so much yarn, right? But if the pattern was in plus sizes, I'd probably buy more yarn if I liked the pattern enough. So, but yeah, so two very pretty shrugs in this month's Knitcrate, and this yarn is very pretty. I want to see what it'll look like crocheted up in this color. And if you haven't tried Knitcrate, I do have a discount code available just for my subscribers. If you go to the link in the description box below and enter Loopy20, you can save 20% on your first Knitcrate. If you did get a Knitcrate, and you've tried this yarn, let me know, what did you make with it? And even if you haven't gotten it, let me know what you would make with this yarn. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment box below. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Happy hooking, and I'll see you next time.